Welcome to Genome Software. I've come up with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you a recently and newly added setting to Genome Software. And what is that? That setting is nothing but delete charges in loan creation. What does that mean? Delete charges in loan creation means if staff creates a loan, he can add the charges but he cannot delete the charges until and unless he has been given the access. Now let's see how this is done. So if you go to HR management in access control list, you can see in access, you can see if you select a staff here, you can see that a permission has been added, delete charges in loan creation. Here, delete charges in loan creation. Now this access has not been given to agent 1. Okay, so let's do something. Let's log in as this agent. Okay, agent 1. Okay, and then I'm gonna log in. Okay, now say he gets to see his customer. Okay, and he has the access to create the loan, so he's going to create the loan. So I say configure manually, and then I say about 10,000 to 10,000 to monthly for 12 months. Okay, now if you go down and see the fees or the charges have been automatically generated. This is coming from the add ledger to favorite section. There's the new feature that's been added. The video is already provided, that is auto config percentage. We've already configured these percentages there, and that's how this is generated. Okay, now say I just want to show you one more thing. Now say if I change this to 1 lakh, you can see that these charges are automatically increasing, okay, based on the amount. So now let's keep this as 10,000. Now as I was saying, as I was saying that the staff does not have the permission to delete these charges, so there's no delete button here. What he can do is he can add additional charges if he wants, say registration charges of 200. Okay, if I say add, he can add these, he can add the charges, but he cannot delete from the pre-configured charges. Okay, now so he's added, so 1050. I'm going to save this loan. Okay, so loan 63. Now if you go and see loan 63, okay, maybe I haven't given the search loan access here, so I'm just going to sign out and log in as admin and search for that loan 63. Okay, so 63, if you search for loan 63, okay, if you go down and see transaction, see, you can see charges 1050. This loan was created by the agent and he added additional 200 registration charges. Okay, so what does this mean? That means your staff cannot disperse the loan without taking the charges. So addition he can do using the add button, but he cannot do the deletion of the pre-configured loans. But the deletion can only be done by the admin, because the delete button is only provided in the admin. But if you say if you want to give the access to the staff to delete the charges, then it can be done, as I showed you, it can be done through the access control list. So friends, you can see so many new features have been added to Genome Software, and we are going to come up with more such new features and more such more such amazing updates. So please do not forget to subscribe our Genome Software YouTube channel, and have a great day.